Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel TECHYRATORS. This is our next video on RHCSA preparation series and our today's topic is grep and find command in Linux operating system. I'll show you how to use grep and find command in Linux operating system. So without wasting any time, let's get started with our topic now. So firstly, we are now talking about the grep command in Linux operating system. So grep command is used to search string in particular file in the Linux operating system. Let's say if you want to find a string name password name root in the /etc/password file, how you can do it? Just grep password and /etc/password, enter. There is no string like password in the etc password file, so let's say root. So you see we have two lines with the root string in the /etc/password file. This is a simple command to search the string in your whole operating system. So I'll now showing you different options to use with the grep command. Let's say when you see grep -n root and /etc/password, so the n option shows you the line number in which the string line falls. Now coming towards our next option, that is w. So w is used to search a particular word in the file. Let's say when you type root, it shows you the same content, but when you are typing ROO, it shows you nothing, because when you type w, you need to write the full string or full word to search it. Let's say when you remove the w, it shows you the content. Now we have -v option. Let's say grep -v root /etc/password. When you type -v option, it removes the particular line which contain word root. Let's say here we use the command, and in the first line, according to that, the first line starts with roots, but it removes the first line. So moving towards our next option, that is -i. So -i option is used to ignore the cases. When you type R capital O and small o t, it shows you nothing, because he is unable to find capital O in the particular file. Now when you use -i, it ignores the case and find the particular word. Now let's say if you want to search root in the /etc directory, when you enter, it gives you the /etc directory. So for searching recursively, you need to press -r, I to ignore the cases. Let it remove the I for a moment. Oh, enter. Now it shows you the result recursively in /etc directory. So if you want to find a particular string in a directory in files containing in the directory, then you need to use the -r option. Now moving towards our next option, that is grep, and we have to the solve symbol. This symbol is in the 6th digit, and we say root and /etc/password. So this symbol used to show the line start with the root, start with a string. And if you want to find a string that find a line that end with a particular string. Let's say you want to find the lines that end with the bash, so after that you need to put a dollar and enter. So it shows you the file that end with the slash bash or the bash string. Here command will be started. So now let's say if you want to search between two strings, so we use grep hyphen capital E, and we need to use single quotes root colon bash in slash etc slash password. It shows you nothing. Okay, what we are missing between root and bash? Okay, we are using colon instead of pipeline. We need to use the pipeline instead. So this shows the result of root and bash also. Now we can do one thing also. Let's say if you want to find a string in your output, how you can do that? Let's say when you type ls-i, ls-l, and then you need to use the pipeline and grep, we need to search the test, enter. So you can use the grep command like this also to search the string in the particular output with the help of the pipeline. Now let's say if you want to save the content in a particular file or redirect the content in a particular file, what you can do, you can just put a greater than symbol. The single greater than symbol is used to overwrite the file, and let's say new. So when you check cat new, you see this content, and now the double greater than symbol used to append the file. Let's say enter, and when you check now, the content is doubled, you see. And let's say when we remove this, enter cat, you see it's overwrite the file. Now here I'll show you the how to use grep command with different types of option, how to redirect the grep result in a particular file. Now we can move towards our next command, that is find. So as same as grep command is used to search string or search word in a particular file, and we have find command that used to search a particular file in a particular directory. Let's say we have to find in the slash, let's say hyphen name password, enter. So it shows you all the file name password in the slash, means in all system. Now let's say if you want to search a particular type, let's say type F for the file, D for the directory. Let's say when you enter, it shows you all the directory recursively in your system in slash. Let's say now we can use another option with let's say use hyphen name password. We can use hyphen name, and let's say we can use date etc, enter. Okay, and hyphen type F. So we have no file named etc, but we have directories name etc. So this is how you can search with the name and also use the type in single find command. Now moving towards our next option, let's say you want to find all the files in the slash etc with the size plus 10k hyphen size plus 10k, enter. Okay, so here it shows all files with the size greater than 10 KB. And let's say if you can use M for the MB and G for the gigabytes, let's say GB. You can put also minus, it shows you all the file with size lesser than 10 KB. Now let's say find in the slash with the PERM permissions. Let's say you have to find a particular file with the permission with who are using SUID or as the special permission. Let's say the special permission number is 1 and let's say 755, enter. No such file or directory. Let's say first we can create a file touch find, and now we are chmod 1777 to find, and when we use this command now it shows you the root slash find. Here your file. So if you don't know about the special permissions, you need to watch my previous video on permissions and ownership, and here I'll show you how to find a file with a particular permission. And I'll also do one thing. Let's say use exclamation space permission 755, let's say 1777, and it shows the file with the permission where the permission is not equal to 1777. Cancel it. Okay, now we have a last thing remaining, that is finding the, let's say find in the slash hyphen user, let's say user1, enter. So this command, what is this command is doing? This command checking in the slash all the files with the user owner user1, all, or we can say that files created by the user1. It finds all the files created by the user1 and shows you the output. And if you want to copy this these all files with the user owner user1 in a particular directory, let's say slash root. Now we first create a directory mkdir test, okay, test1, yes. Now find user1 hyphen exec to execute cp is for copy, and then we have to use curly brackets open and close, and slash root slash test1, and then backslash and semicolon, enter. Are not specified. Omitting directory home user1. Let's check first ls test1, So you see, here are all the files created by the user 1. So this is all about the find and grep command in Linux operating system. Now we can meet you in the next video, or you can check man grep for or detailed information about the grep command, and man find for the detailed information for the find command. Here we can go now, and this is all about the grep and find command in Linux operating system. Now we meet you in the next video, so take care and bye bye.